Alright, today I'll be unboxing this Wuben X2 copper. Their logo looks like a flashlight. I think that's cool. Okay. This is the user manual. All right. Look at this shiny bad boy. Damn. He looks so happy to be here. Oh, shiny. Ah. Wow. I already got fingerprints on it. Dang. This guy is gorgeous. This clip is massive. It's got the lanyard hole there. The charging port. Click 4 times to unlock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's dead battery. Here's the lanyard slash charger. This thing is so cool. Honestly, it's almost worth getting the light just for this. It has measurings on it. It's a lanyard. And it's also a charging cable. Surprise. This is so cool, dude. Unreal. What's this? Oh, it's the diffuser slash protector. Look, now he's got a little hat. This is a gorgeous light. Oh my gosh. I can't get over the edges. It's like so sharp looking, but well, I guess it does feel kind of sharp. But my gosh, it looks fantastic. Here's a size comparison between the Wuben X2 Raylight Pineapple Mini and the Lumentop FW AA.